our 48-inch griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a depth 24 3/4 inches, overall height with legs. We have 16 inches tall. Minus the legs, we have 11.5 inches tall. Coming to the top of the griddle, we have a length of 48 inches, depth 18 inches. Coming to the right column is where the axes and debris will fall into this waste tray. The measurements for the waste tray will include 6 1/4 inches in length by 16 3/4 inches in depth. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back into the lower compartment. Going from right to left are 4 different temperature control knobs. And located on the bottom right column will be the ETL NSF certification, along with gas specification for this griddle. Coming to the back is the black pipe for the gas connection. Also included will be the natural gas regulator, along with the propane conversion kit. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.